The Enviro-Clean is the ultimate heat exchanger bundle cleaner made today. Nothing surpasses its dependability and thoroughness in scouring even the toughest deposits. The Enviro-Clean unit will clean multiple heat exchanger bundles, fin fans, towers, and other oil field systems. It is built to meet explosion-proof Class 1 standards and fully contains both air and liquid emissions. Our unit cleans without the mess. The unit features a hydraulically driven roller system bundle support. It can clean single or multiple bundles. A 75 horsepower explosion-proof motor. A 750 gallon per minute and 100 psi stainless steel centrifugal pump. Angled spray jets for optimum cleaning. Temperature-controlled heating vats. A bucket strainer loop filtration system. Full-length bundle contact with cleaning solution as bundle rotates. Closed loop or internal pane cleaning. And a 9 by 25 foot control room. The unit can use customer-supplied heavy hydrocarbon cleaning solutions and has a footprint of 10 by 50 feet. The consumer benefits include cleaning to the center of exchanger bundles both inside diameter and outside diameter. Heat transfer efficiency is restored to the highest degree possible. It facilitates increased refinery throughput, reduces operating costs, no adverse environmental effects, eliminates cleanups from hydroblasting. All liquid is returned to slop tanks for reprocessing. Cleaning solutions are matched to fouling. Cleans exchanger shell both internally and externally. Expedites downtime. And the unit has multiple cleaning options. Let's take a look at just how easily and efficiently the unit operates. Once a bundle has been placed in the unit, one by one the hatches are closed, providing a tight seal. First, we start the rollers to slowly rotate the bundle. Then we start the sprayers. It can't get much easier than that. The unit has a high-level shutdown to prevent overflow, a mid-level startup heater blanket enabler, and the circulation pump won't come on until this one is covered. And there is a speed adjustment for the rollers. The system blanket air purge. This is the 10 horsepower explosion-proof electric motor and hydraulic pump. Here is the high-pressure shutdown. This is the 75 horsepower explosion-proof pump made with Type 316 stainless steel to eliminate corrosion and rust problems. The vapor recovery system. These are the heater and control disconnects found on the side of the control room building. The gray box is a 480-volt disconnect panel. This is one of 3 heater controllers that keeps fluid temperatures within 1 degree Fahrenheit and can be set to any desired temperature using low voltage heat. Here we see the gate's polydrive belts and sheave which power the rollers. The unit has powered rollers on each end with idlers for midsection support. units make use of high-pressure sprayers and turbulence of liquid, delivering the maximum possible cleaning efficiency. The movement of the liquid reaches everywhere, including the most difficult-to-reach areas using agitation and heat. Through the use of a separate, non-provided generator, our units can be placed anywhere without power. With its ease of operation, nothing else comes close. Our units are for refinery maintenance and turnaround service. And Enviro-Clean units are available for lease with option to purchase. The Enviro-Clean is environmentally friendly, provides faster implementation of your projects, heat transfer is enhanced, gives you cost containment on projects, and safety risks are minimized. The Enviro-Clean has the capability of cleaning fin fans, towers, and heat exchanger bundles in place without having to remove from shell or location. It can also flush product lines, vac trucks, and tanks. The Enviro-Clean is the first and still the only system capable of doing multiple cleaning operations as well as stress-relieving projects. Our unique system precedes all others on the market today. Nothing else even comes close to the versatility and thoroughness of the Enviro-Clean. This is the all-in-one system that really works. The Enviro-Clean.